Welcome to Squiz. The theme of this quiz is science and nature. The quiz has 25 questions and each question is worth 1 point. This is a straightforward question and answer quiz and all the answers will be revealed at the end. Good luck! Number 1. Arachnophobia is a fear of what? Number 2. In which mountain range would you find Mount Everest? Number 3. Which is the most sensitive of the senses? Number 4. Which British physicist wrote A Brief History of Time? Number 5. What is botany the study of? Number 6. What vitamin does the sun's ultraviolet rays help the skin produce? Number 7. What is the most abundant chemical element on Earth? Number 8. What is the most abundant chemical element in the Earth's atmosphere? Number 9. What is the most abundant chemical element in the universe? Number 10. What type of trees are often found in church and graveyards? Number 11. Ernest Rutherford won a Nobel Prize in 1917 for splitting what? Number 12. What is the largest fish in the world? You will need to be quite specific with the answer. Number 13. What is the longest bone in the human body? Number 14. What does an ornithologist study? Number 15. Diamonds are a form of which chemical element? Number 16. Alopecia is a condition causing the loss of what from the human body? Number 17. Which acid is found in car batteries? Number 18. Old Man's Beard and Traveller's Joy are names for a variety of which flower? Number 19. The concept of gravity was discovered by which famous physicist? Number 20. At what temperature are Celsius and Fahrenheit the same? Number 21. Mycology is the study of what? Number 22. How many vertebrae does the average human possess? Number 23. What is Dmitry Mendeleev famous for inventing? Number 24. What term is given to a creature that is active during the night rather than day? And number 25, pure gold is how many carats? And that's all the questions. Now's a chance to go back and see if you've missed anything before the answers are revealed. Number 1, arachnophobia is a fear of spiders. Number 2, Mount Everest is in the Himalayas. Number 3, the most sensitive of the senses is smell. Number 4, A Brief History of Time was written by Stephen Hawking. Number 5, Botany is the study of plants. Number 6, the sun's ultraviolet rays help the skin produce vitamin D. Number 7, the most abundant chemical element on Earth is oxygen. Number 8, the most abundant chemical element in the Earth's atmosphere is nitrogen. Number 9, the most abundant chemical element in the universe is hydrogen. Number 10, the type of tree often found in church and graveyards is a yew tree. Number 11, Ernest Rutherford won a Nobel Prize for splitting the atom. Number 12, the largest fish in the world is a whale shark. Number 13, the longest bone in the human body is the femur. Number 14, an ornithologist studies birds. Number 15, diamonds are a form of carbon. Number 16, alopecia is a condition causing the loss of hair. Number 17, the acid found in car batteries is sulfuric acid. Number 18, old man's beard and traveller's joy are both types of clematis. Number 19. The concept of gravity was discovered by Sir Isaac Newton. Number 20. Celsius and Fahrenheit are both the same at -40. Number 21. Mycology is the study of mushrooms. Number 22. The average human body possesses 33 vertebrae. Number 23. Dmitry Mendeleev is famous for inventing the periodic table. Number 24. The term given to a creature that is active during the night rather than the day is nocturnal. And number 25. Pure gold is 24 carats. And that is the end. Thank you very much for taking part. Let me know what you thought of the quiz and how you scored out to a possible 25 points. And I'll see you next time for some more Squiz!